Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your chiropractor clinic business. If you are a chiropractor, then managing all the bookings and follow-ups can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for your chiropractor clinic business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general hi like this, and immediately our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to Align Well Chiropractic. We are here to help you feel your best, naturally and safely," and it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says book appointment, and it is asking for my full name. So here I'm going to send a dummy response as demo user, and then it responds me with preferred date. So here I'm going to send my preferred date like this, and it responds me with, "We have received your details as demo user. This given date we will send confirmation soon." Lastly, I'm going to respond with pre-visit form, and it responds us with a clickable pre-visit form link. Lastly, post-treatment tip, and it responds me with all the post-treatment care tips like stay hydrated, light movement, rest if needed, ice therapy, and stretch gently. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for chiropractic clinic business. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it to WhatsApp Chatbot for your chiropractor clinic business. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. Now, this regex will activate the chatbot with any given keyword. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when you click on it, you get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message like this. Here I've added this little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Our text will appear like this to the user, and here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate response for each quick reply option. So let's begin with book an appointment. And for this, we have to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here I'm going to take all the appointment details like this. And in the contact custom field, I'm going to select name, and as format, I'm going to select any. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check the link in the description box, and then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to curate another question box, and here I'm going to add preferred date. In the contact custom field, I have selected date, and as format, I have selected any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. And lastly, I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button. It will appear like this to the user. Here we have added $name and $date because these two are our contact custom fields, and we have added $sign next to them because it will make sure that they get replaced by the actual name and date sent by the user. Now I'm going to move on to the second quick response, which says pre-visit form, and for this I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add a pre-visit form like this. It will appear like this to the user. Here we have added a clickable link to the form. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for post-treatment tip, and for this I have access text button, and here I'm going to add tips like this. It will appear like this to the user. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for chiropractor clinic business. If you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.